If you were ever wondering what's inside of a Sony lens, I took one apart so you wouldn't have to. We're going to take a look inside a Sony lens. This would be the selp1650. On the back there are 4 Phillips screws. The screws are in so tight it almost feels like you're going to break them getting them out. It's almost like there's Loctite on these. With the screws out we can lift this plate out. Pretty intense inside. There's a little motor here, full circuit board. That would be for the autofocus. We'll go further in, we'll remove some more screws. With the screws out, we'll be able to lift the outer ring. You can see this will lift back and forth. Back out the ribbon cables, pull them out of the socket, remove the circuit board. We'll unplug the drive motor, remove the 2 screws and remove that assembly. To remove the front portion of the lens, there's these 2 points here that we'll be able to turn lefty-loosey. A quarter of a turn and it's ready to pop off. We'll remove this plate, we'll remove the front lens. We'll pull off this front graphic plate. It's glued on, so we'll just put a screwdriver and work it around. It's on there with a pretty strong adhesive. We'll pull this off. We can move the movement up and down, and you can see the center spins round and round. Here's a closer look at that gear moving in there. We're able to access some screws with the front plate off. Remove the next ring, I'll pry on this channel here. We lifted the guide out of the channel. And the other 3 until they all come out. Here's a look inside of that ring. We can really see the mechanism now. We'll spin this top ring until it comes off. You can see in here all these little channels to make everything move. We'll pry up on the guides to pull them out of the channel. Keep prying on all the guides until it releases. We'll remove the next lens assembly. There's 3 more screws inside. We'll remove this casing, remove this assembly. The lenses are made of glass. The 2 lenses move back and forth. You can see when I drop it, it moves back and forth. When I turn it back up, you can see it just moves back and forth. Beautiful construction in here. When you look deep inside of something like this, it's like an engineering marvel.